Video.
This is Abel trying to catch a bird right now that flew into our store. There he is.
Well, yeah, I'm not gonna be able to.
What if it lands on somebody?
You know how?
Oh,
And there's our hero right here.
oh, look, a bunch of flesh. Sorry, I was filming.
Cochinos.
Okay, Jade.
Do you have a net?
Jade, I got an idea. Give me a boost.
Yeah, the stick's right here.
Yeah, give me a boost.
There's a stick.
Oh, a stick?
Yeah, just to scoot him out of the way.
No, slowly push his legs. Then maybe he'll jump on it. No, from the front.
I'm not gonna hit it.
You're an idiot. From the front. You gotta call the, oh, we can get him outside. Because animal control hurts.
It will always fly away.
I know, but he wasn't
That's
doing
what
anything.
they're born to do.
Yeah. Where is he?
I'm afraid.
Oh, he's all the way in the corner.
I'm gonna check this out.
He's not going anywhere.
Look, he's like a piece of card.
He won't get onto the meter stick?
No. I think he's trying to. I'm gonna shit on him. I have a feeling. I'm gonna scare the shit out of him.
It's trying to eat you. The stick. It's hungry.
Oh, hit him with a beak.
Mmm. What do you think what's happening, Jade? How do you take this?
I'm so
He's
sad.
not doing anything.
Hey, put the fan on.
Oh yeah, yeah, that's really gonna help, Jade. A fan.
No, it'll just scare him a little bit.
That's smart, Jade. That's smart.
He already flew into the window like 3 times.
Oh, oh.
He's
Oh,
walking.
so close.
Get on the. Oh shit, is there any customers?
No, Abel, you cursed all you want.
Son of a bitch, get on. Oh, is that put on?
Maybe it's pregnant.
Maybe you can go bleh.
You wanna try this one? Yeah, he has one foot on it.
He's so cute.
I don't wanna smash his little toes. I was gonna sue me.
They look all cutesy.
Alright, you got him, you got him.
Yeah, get him. Move now. Move.
Ah, you lost it, Abel. You're a loser. You're a loser. Loser, Abel.
Stop shoving up his butt.
I'm not showing it off his ass, man. Jesus Christ, what are you feeding me?
Jade likes it from the back. Whoa.
Dude, I love this bird. It's so cool.
Jade's got the bird.
Alright, Jade.
I win.
Just go right outside.
This is gonna be a magical moment.
Just check it out. And close those doors.
Jade doesn't have a cock.
Fly away.
He's gonna bite you, Jade. Watch out, Jade.
Now he doesn't want to go.
Jade, he can't fly. He's all messed up.
He might be like stunned. Can you put him down by the in a bush?
Would you put those sticks?
This planetarium right here.
Jade, climb on the tree and put him on top.
Okay.
Oh, now he's gonna get run over.
Oh, stupid.
Jade, you're a murderer.
No.
Jade.
No.
Jade, put him in the car. What are you doing?
It's like she didn't even see the bird or something.
No.
Look at her
Put him on the shrubbery.
There.
Nah, he's still on the street.
Oh god, here comes the steamroller. I got an idea. Let's all get back to work.
Put it in a box.
This is fucking awesome.
Jaderade. Look, the cops are gonna get him. We'll see.
You probably did something bad. Probably shitted on a cop or something.
hell is this?
Did you hear that? Who's whistling? Probably carnitas.
Oh, they left you.
Yeah, they're using the speaker. It's carnitas. Put them on the bush.
Jade, just throw them up in the air.
Put him on the shrubbery.
Don't take them there. They're gonna cook them.
What the fuck?
Oh, I'm so getting shot later.
Stay right there.
Sherry's concerned. Just leave him there, Jade.
He'll be okay. At least he's not in the street.
Come back, give him some cookies.
Hopefully there's not going to be a cat.
Yeah.
Hopefully not a cat.
You're the hero, Jade. You're the heroine.
I'll get back to work.